Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this large actual 6-drawer dresser that we're going to redo. So hit that subscribe button and let's get this started. Alright, overall, not too bad condition. We do have all the handles, which is a really good plus to this. Like I said before, 6-drawer. This bottom drawer is actually a 2-deep one. The frame is probably a little twisted. As you can see, some of these drawers don't close all the way, so we're going to have to take a little deeper dive on that and determine how we're going to make this fit and run smoothly. Another issue that I noticed was that we do have a broken piece right here. And well, since I work from home and I don't have all those cool tools and skills that would be needed to fix that, so that's actually going to have to stay there. We'll let the new owners know about it before they purchase it to make sure that they like it. But from there, everything else is, I mean, it's worn in, but it's not bad. So let's see what we can do to bring this thing back to life. First thing, let's remove the hardware. Alright, the drawers are pulled, the handles are removed, and now we can start moving on to sanding. This is probably a pretty big project for sanding, and I know most of us don't like doing it, myself included, but it's definitely a step that we need to do to make sure that paint sticks really well and we get the junk off this piece and really get rid of all the chip marks here. So 80 grit sandpaper, DeWalt sander. Anything we can't get with the DeWalt sander, we'll hand sand with some old sandpaper. Got our mask. We'll do the frame, we'll put on some new sandpaper, we'll hit the drawers, and then we can start cleaning this mess up and start working back up to a really nice piece. So let's get started. We've vacuumed it out, wiped it down, and now we're ready to start painting this piece. So we've got our BEHR Premium Plus, got our brush here. We're going to pull all the drawers again. We're going to paint them, set them aside, do the frame. We'll do 2 coats on everything, and then we can move forward with this project. So we got about 2 hours worth of of painting ahead of us. So let's get started. Alright, we've got 2 layers of paint on this. We're going to scuff it up. I know that's hurting some people's hearts. So if you like the solid look, definitely skip this step. But we're here at Vintage Statements, we're going to add a little scuff marks to it, give it that vintage look. So we'll start at the top, we'll work our way down, just a light scuff. and then we can start waxing this piece. Alright, we've let the paint dry, scuffed it up, wiped it down, and now we're ready to wax it again. So we're going to use our Citrus Shield, Howard's Citrus Shield. It's a premium natural paste wax. I like this product, it works well for us. So we're going to go over this complete piece here. We'll put the drawers, or we'll do the drawers again. We'll put the handles on, we'll stick them in here, and see what this piece looks like at the end. So the next time you see this piece, well, it's going to be completed. Alright, here it is completed. We took off the hardware, we sanded it down, we painted it, gave it 2 coats of BEHR premium colors called Blackout. We scuffed it up, gave it a vintage look, put the hardware, waxed it, put the hardware back on it, and well, the transformation is quite extreme. The only thing that I don't like about this piece, and this is something I just couldn't work on, at the beginning of this video I was talking about that little divot that's missing, and that's it there. But outside that, overall, good condition and great work here to finish this piece off. If you like this piece and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram. We've got a tall boy that matches this, and we just did the 2 nightstands, so check out that video also. So let's get started on the tall boy next.